We are going to use a method called stop motion to create these really magical videos that make it look like Elf is moving all on his own, or her own. I've got the female version. First things first is you're going to download a free stop motion video app. This is our app and it's called Lapse, and it's available on iOS or Android. Before we dive into the app, I'm just going to share two basic things with you on the principles of stop motion creation. So first things first, all you have to know is all stop motion is a sequence of photos stitched together. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be taking a photo of Elf, moving him a little, take another photo, move a little, so on and so forth, and when you play it back, it looks like he's moving on his own once you speed up the video. The second principle is to not move the phone while you're shooting, because if you're moving the phone, then everything's going to be moving as you take it versus just Elf. If you have a tripod for your phone, amazing. If you don't and you want to get one, they're available on Amazon. You can probably get it overnight if you have Prime. If not, we have a couple different hacks that you can use if you don't have a tripod. The hack is pretty simple, and it's just to find something to lean your phone against while you're shooting. So you can use a mug, a cup, a book, anything really, as long as the phone is upright and not moving throughout the duration of your shoot. If you want to shoot directly down, a hack for this is to place your phone on the edge of a table or a chair. This will be super handy if you're creating snow angels with Elf. Our final video is Elf on the Shelf making a snow angel. Now this setup might seem intimidating, but I promise you it's not. All you need is a chair and a book to place the phone on the edge of so that you can shoot straight down. I also put the construction there just so that you could see the flower a bit better when the snow angel is made, because I do have a white table and I thought it would maybe get a little too camouflaged white on white. The only limbs that really worked for this motion was her arms. So it was quite limiting. Unless you have the wires in there, I'm sure you could do a way better job than I did here. There's actually only 4 images in this whole sequence, and of course I boomeranged it, so you only need to shoot in the one direction. Don't worry about having to go up and then down. Just choose one direction, and then Lapse will reverse the video for you when you play it in boomerang. If you happen to have the legs of the chair in the frame, don't worry. As long as it's only in the bottom part, you can always crop it and reposition it after you've shot it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our brand in front of more eyes. This is only one of many Elf on the Shelf video tutorials that we have. If you want to access more ideas on how to bring Elf on the Shelf to life and create videos of him caught on camera moving around your house, please click the link in the description below to access the full playlist. If you share your video on social media, I'd absolutely love to see it. Please include the hashtag ElfOnTheShelfVideo so I can see what you guys are creating. Thanks for watching.